Hello everyone. I want you to watch this video till the end because today I have seen the kind of selling that I haven't seen in the market lately. We thought that the only large cap stocks were weaker, but today price action seems that there has been selling across all the market caps, the mid caps, small caps, and micro caps. We thought the IT index was strong too, but looks like no single index was paid today. The entire market direction has changed. I am going to be very cautious in this market. In fact, most of my stop losses were hit in the last 1 2 days. I'm going to take a little or a short breaks of at least 1 2 weeks in the market. I would only take a little positions once the market settles. So if you are a trader, please I advise you to stay away from the market. If you are a long-term investor, you don't have to worry about. In fact, if you are watching few stocks which you are willing to add, you can use the help of the charts and you can do that. So let's get into our today's videos. If you can see, let's start with the market index today, which is the Nifty. You have seen it is down 1.5%, and the yesterday's breach has been closed, and clearly you can see the market, the volumes. Look at the volumes, especially today. The volumes were very high across all the counters. If you look at Nifty Next 52, it is very huge selling here. The Nifty 100 stocks almost similar like Nifty 50, right? Look at the mid cap. This is where I felt surprising. We usually call this an outside day candle. It means that the market had a gap up opening which was higher than yesterday. It is a good, but the selling started here and it was a single directional selling. Not even once the market tried to recover. You can see here, right? In fact, not only it breached the yesterday's lows, it closed way below all the key moving averages and this crucial support too. That is what it made me bit alarmed to the market. Even if you look at the small cap, to the same story has repeated. This is the trend line. It looks like the market might take a support here, but I don't want to take the chance to. Even the micro cap has also seen a selling of 2.5%. The entire broader market Nifty, which is include the top 500 stocks, if you see that, it is heading down. Looks like this might be a start of new downtrend. So I would advise you to stay away from the market. Look at the sectoral spaces. The bank nifty yesterday, this was a big gap, right? We thought at least the market tried to close here, but today look at here. The same story has repeated, and look at the volumes here. Today there has been a massive sell-off across all the names. The private bank, PSU bank, see it again is trying to go down. Even the IT, we have been talking that IT has been very strong, right? But today the story has reversed. I am going to change my view on the IT stocks too because I have seen across mid caps, small caps, and all IT names were seeing a massive sell off today. Auto has literally breached this crucial support. This might be an indication of new short selling in the auto space. So the correction has not yet ended in the auto. It looks like it is again the beginning of another small correction. Even the realty names, which were the strongest over the last few days, right? Even those names too were corrected a lot. In fact, the index was down 4% today. The pharma was, I think, the best performer today in the terms of falling the least. Even the infra names to see the same kind of selling happening, huge selling. FMCG again almost closed at its crucial support. If this level is taken out in FMCG again, just like auto, we would be seeing another massive selling here. Telecom too, again, same sector. So this is what the sectoral space looks like, especially when you see such falls on Friday close. It adds a lot of weight. Now let's start with individual names. I'm a bit scary to see how the individual names. Look at it. Reliance, the India's largest company, has broken its crucial support. That's why there has been a massive sell-off in the Nifty too. Unless and until Reliance becomes strong, we can't expect the indices to do well because it holds at least 10-12% of the weight in the index, right? And coming to Reliance, it is very weak. Look at TCS too. Very big candle. In fact, from the top to low, the high to low, the candle was has a range of 5.2%. It means the market has become very volatile. Look at the volumes, very large volumes today. Same with HDFC. Just stopped at the 50 DMA, non-stop selling. Maybe a little bounce here, just like again. I thought it would close somewhere here, but there is no hope. Even Reliance too. ICICI is a bit, I guess there is some kind of rebalancing today also, because I have been seeing some huge volumes in few stocks. Maybe a result of some index rebalancing, or some kind of news event is happening. Look at Infosys, same story. Very large selling from top to bottom. State Bank of India broke this crucial support level. Again, now it will test these levels. ITC too. At least the FMCG stocks did not correct as much. Hindustan Unilever, same story ahead. It is going down. This support level is broken. It is heading down with lower lows. LIC too, same story, not getting any better. Even HCL Tech has just touched this resistance. In fact, it is still holding up. I'm a bit surprised at its strength, because other names are falling 2.5%, 3%. The stock has corrected only 1%. LNT, again, I've told you, right? If you have missed the entry, always wait for this highs to be taken out. Otherwise, do not take the entry. And looks like even the infra names have also become weaker. The volumes are also very high today. Sun Pharma is still holding good. I am observing this chart, but even if it breaks out, I am not willing to take any entry in such market. I prefer to stay in cash, especially in such volatile times. Bajaj Finance, same story again, it is going down. NTPC have already warned you that this is the breakout, breakdown, and this is where one would ideally short, and it has been free falling. It was down 7% in the last 4 sessions. We have discussed here, right? So that's why never try to catch a falling knife. Axis Bank, this is what I have been telling you for last few days. If Axis Bank breaks this 1100 level, it might be a start of new downtrend, and it literally happened today. Look at this chart, very large volumes, and it was down way below the support. Maruti is again just breaching, is about to reach this 10,800 level. So be careful here. Kotak too, again not looking very good. Mahindra and Mahindra, in fact, we thought this is the stronger name in the auto space, right? And it has been respecting these bases for a long time. But here you can see that the stock is down today. I'm just hiding this indicator just so that we can watch the charts very closely. And after ONGC too, same story here, going down and down, no hope here. Tata Motors, see, that's what I told you. I'm just going into the weekly. See, once this level was taken out, we were seeing somewhere around 700 650 levels, right? Looks like we are about to test that level. It is already at 724. Massive correction in auto. Ultratech too, same story. I thought this was our entry, but yesterday marked our exit here, or in fact, if you didn't exit, you would have exited here somewhere. Our stop loss has been hit. Not looking good. Adani stocks, again, do not, at least in this market, stay away. They might move 5%, 10% one day, but look at here, again correcting. Power grid, no improvement here. Titan at least held strong today. Bajaj Auto again slided down, going down. See, all the stocks, they were closing almost at the lows of the day. That is very weak market day. Adani Ports, nothing interesting here. Coal India, I've told you, this was the breakout, and see again a free fall, almost a 5% correction in the last 3 days. That too in a large cap. Asian Paints, no recovery, no hope left for this stock. Even Wipro, one of the strongest name. In fact, it went all the way to 320 in the 320 in the morning session. Now look at here, it was down 5% from the highs of the day. This is something which usually you are seeing, right? Even the stock, the stronger names are also correcting today. That should signal you that something is different from this time. The selling is very large. Look at Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. This was the trigger that on the chart that the the sentiment of the stock has turned negative. Looks like the stock is about to test these levels again. Bajaj Finserv, not at all looking good. It will test these levels. If it breaks out, probably this new support. DMart again down 2.5%. Look at here, right? Despite the stock has already corrected 33%, it is down again 7% more. That's why I'm telling you, don't try to catch the falling knives. Trend 2, again, one of the stronger names, it too has gave up today. Adani Green, same story, massive correction. Look at the volumes here, massive volumes. Siemens, in fact, there was a management call to them. They gave a very bad outcome. So we can just write it here for our future reference that bad guidance. Look at here, 10% correction, a large cap name. We thought it was one of the strongest names in Nifty, right? Once this level was taken out, we thought that let's only wait till this 8,000 is broken out. But looks like the stock corrected 10%. One of the strongest names correcting 10% is not great in such market conditions. JSW same again. I think this large volume ignore this probably due to some kind of rebalancing. Adani Power same story. Zomato, even the Zomato the closing was good, but again it has just touched this 50 EMA and bounced back. Let's hope that this low doesn't get taken out in future days. If it does happen that even the Zomato is also getting weaker. Nestle, same story, no improvement. Tybosi again, no improvement. Bharat Electronics going down and down. Varun Beverages going down. Geo Finance, massive sell off, massive sell off. The stock was down literally 10% in last 3 days. That itself should warn you that the market is not good. Even DLF, one of the strongest names, right? Real estate. There has been a massive selling in real estate today also. Tata Steel, no hope here. Vedanta, same. At least it is within the yesterday's range, unlike other stocks. Grasim, see again, it almost reached this crucial support level. We can draw somewhere here the support level. If this breaches out this level again, we might see at 2470, 2480. IRFC, I've told you, not single. Just don't judge the railway stocks with one day strong price action. See, it is getting weaker and weaker today. Look at this, another massive red candle. We thought this was one of the strongest name and we have made our exit somewhere here, right? Today it was down another 6.5% with a very large volumes. That's why I'm changing my view after seeing the charts like Siemens and LTIM and Wipro, the stronger names. These used to be the stronger names and they have been, even look at Indigo. There was a sharp correction, but since the buyers were very interested in this, they have pushed it and the closing was good here. Otherwise, you would have seen another correction here. Look at this, Tech Mahindra, one of the stronger names, right? This was our stop loss and we should have exited here. And again, see, in a one single day, you are seeing most of the stocks were taken out. That should warn you, that should make you more alert. Pidilite, same story. ABB, again, all the power stocks were down today. They were seeing a massive sell off today. It is down 6% again. Divi's Lab, at least still better when compared with other stocks. HDFC, it is doing nothing. That's good, at least in such market. Hindalco also, at least nothing. PFC, again, another very sharp correction, right? That's what I'm saying. Britannia too, despite after falling this much, the stock was down another 2% today. Ambuja Cement, same story. Gale also not doing good. Tata Power, it has literally touched this support. If it breaks this 400 level and goes down, right, we might see levels like 370 or somewhere 315 rupees. See? That's why stay away from these names. REC, same story here. Not looking very good. Mothers and Sumit already broken down yesterday this crucial support. I thought this would bounce back today, but looks like it doesn't. BPCL looking very weak. Godrej Consumer Products. See again, same just like DMart. See, despite after correcting 23%, the stock was down again another 8-9% from these levels. Eicher Motors at least sideways holding up. Bank of Baroda again massive selling. Cipla too, not doing good. Yesterday the pharma stocks were up, but Cipla was always the weaker name in the pharma space, right? JSW Energy, at least this stock is holding up. TVS Motor too, it has hold up, but looks like it is again heading down. Torrent Pharma, one of the stronger names in Nifty 100 now, because look at this, the price action tells you that at least there hasn't been much selling in Torrent Pharma, but I don't want to be biased to any name in such market condition. Sriram Finance again looking very bad. Chola too. See, Chola is almost again at this we can talk it as a 1180 crucial support, right? If it breaks out, we might see another selling in Chola. Even Bajaj Holdings. See, you are seeing the common pattern right now. These were the stronger names, and they were also down 5%. That's why I'm a little bit scared and cautious in such market conditions to take an entry, especially when it comes to large cap names. Not only large cap, today mid cap, small caps, everything has been correcting. Adani not looking good. Punjab National Bank not looking good, at least yesterday. Dr. Reddy's has done well. Looks like this is one of the name, at least it has been holding up. I like these volumes today. This is what I call a relative strength because these stocks are acting stronger. Let's hope that it will. Even United Spirit, it didn't trigger our sell alert yet, but again, the entire market has a spillover effect, and this United Spirits too is going down a little bit. Unless and until this level is taken out, we can be even Lodha, one of the stronger names we have been talking each every day, but that too was correcting 5%. Still, I am looking at this 1371 unless and until it breaches this level. It is still a strong name. iPro 2 going down. Havel, same story. We have told you that this was the crucial support levels. Now it is going down. Probably these levels would be seen. Bosch also, same story going down. We are seeing a lot of structural breakdowns today. Apollo at least did not correct. That's a good news. The hospital stocks and pharma names corrected the least today. Zydus Life, not great but holding up at least. Again, Hero Motocorp going down. Naukari to one of the stronger names, right? It has just reached our support. If it breaches this level, I am exiting out of Naukari too. Again, same story. Tata Consumer. See, this support looks like this support is also has been taken today. New low, another fresh low, all time low. I mean, 52-week low in Tata Consumer Products. See, not at all good, right? Massive selling here too. Dabur again, no hope. Looks like this is also about to be taken out. ICICI Lombard not doing good. Jindal Steel, same massive correction. Sri Cement, one of the stronger names. Sri Cement, we have been talking. This too is down 2%. Let's see how this turns out. Canara Bank again very weak close, closed below 100. The psychology number not at all looking good. Broke down this trend line. Union Bank to again a massive correction here. See the common pattern today. IndusInd, see, despite this is I'm still surprised. That's why I'm telling you, because the stock has done nothing for last 3 years or 5 years. It was down 35%. Now after last 3 days it is down another 8-9%. See, that's the weakness. There is no end. The stock can go to 0 too if we just keep and staring at it. Adani Total Gas not at all doing good. NHPC not good. Yesterday it was a good action, but today no. BHL also again going down as per the market. IRCTC, in fact, it made a new 52-week low today. This was the support level. It has broken down the support level. So now we have reached all the 100 stocks. Today, I hope that you are learning something from these names. So I advise strongly to stay caution. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not recommending you to sell all your holdings or exit out of the names. But please take your decisions considering the charts as well as the market conditions. So see you next week. Thank you guys. Subscribe to Chart Shastra.